Good morning, students. I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. So, today we will do our chapter 5, that is Children and Women in Sports. So, in this chapter, we will do our next topic, that is posture deformities and their corrective measures. Knock knees, flat foot, round shoulders, lordosis, kyphosis, bow leg, and scoliosis are some of the posture deformities. The improper posture creates many deformities. We all know that if any organ of our body be placed in one posture, after some time it acquires the shape according to it. And the body also takes similar shape each posture deformity. Therefore, demand and requires proper attention and specific treatment for correcting the same posture. Some of the posture deformities are: first, knock knees. In knock knees, the bones of children become weak due to deficiency of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D in diet. Legs cannot bear the weight of the body, because of which they bend inward near the knees, owing to their thickness being to strike against each other. In this condition, the child cannot stand in the position of attention. They feels difficulties in walking and running. As you can see in this picture, this is an example of knock knees. So now we discuss what are the causes of knock knees. First cause is lack of proper diet. If a child is not taking proper diet, he or she may face this kind of a deformity. Abnormal bone structure of knees is the second cause of knock knees. Weak muscles and ligament is the third cause of the knock knees. And bad posture of walking. If a child is walking in a bad posture, he can face this kind of a problem. Now, what are the precautions we can take? First precaution, early walk should not be forced on babies. We should avoid early walk, avoid overweight, stretching exercises of legs, balanced diet, heel of shoes should be avoided. These are some of the precautions we can take to avoid deformity of knock knee. So now we discuss about the corrective measures of knock knees. Put a pillow between the knees for some time and erect. As you can see in this picture. Do stretching exercises of leg, walking with calipers. Children should take such leg exercises which can take the knees outward. Swimming, horse riding, and cycling are the best exercises to cure knock knee deformity. So, second type of posture deformity is bow legs. This type of defect in the children of early age, the children have a weak legs and they are unable to bear heavy weight. The defect of bow legs arise when they do not get balanced diet. They are forced to stand before age. A bigger gap occurs between the two legs. Vitamin D is very useful for the removal of this type of defect, as you can see in this picture also. This is an example of bow leg. So now we discuss about the causes of bow legs. First of all, putting extra weight on the underdeveloped leg muscles of a child is one of the main cause of bow leg deformity. By not giving nutritive food to a child is the other cause of bow leg deformity. Now we'll discuss about the curative measures. First of all, give vitamin D to the children. Proper massage should be given to a child in early stage. So our third posture deformity is flat foot. If one cannot slide his fingers under the arc of an individual's foot while he is standing in his habitual position, or if the arc is resting on the supporting surface, the foot is classified as a flat foot. It is easy to detect this defect by walking on the sand, as foot impressions would indicate whether one has flat foot or not. The person feels difficulty in walking, running, or jumping. Now, what are the causes of flat foot? Overweight, weak muscles and ligament, not doing exercise, standing for a long time daily, putting on the shoes of incorrect shape, malnutrition, hereditary defects are some of the causes of flat foot deformity. So now we discuss about the corrective measures of flat foot. For correcting functional flat foot, one should exercise by raising on the toes, by climbing stairs on the toes, walking and jumping on the toes, dancing rope, skipping, and cycling are one of the best exercises for curing flat foot. One should wear special shoes properly fitted with arch support made by an orthopedic center. The emphasis should be given upon the exercises involving toe flexion, foot and ankle flexion. These are some of the curative measures for flat foot deformity. Thank you students. Have a good day.